Minista wa Mbesa nthigurune ya Kenya John Mbadi ni akinyite chukurune yo bundi ya Meru Poly kirigikaro kia muingi gya kuweza na maoni gukonia budget ya thirikari. Kirigikaro giki Mbadi ni atumirite mubango jwa thirikari kweberia murigo jwa ugoti bwa PAYE antu baria bandiki musara jwa rungu rwa ngiri 30.
Muthiro na arua minister wa Kenya ndene Kenya akinyite ndene county Meru na kioti kingi nikenda kuthikira mwingi na kuiga uge bwao kimanthuje kia budget ya thirikari kimwaka 2026-2027 ajana ndi kumakiria biashara ethia bikibiki kinyantu ba mawathe ponde betha bana kanya kakuria bibi.
How does the 2026-2027 budget structurally correct the delays that we witnessed in the previous years? And what concrete timelines do students hold the Treasury accountable to?
Is there a national budget provision for ladies riders training, road safety, affordable insurance and licensing?
Kirigikaro giki munini wa gavana Norida Giome na mbunge no thimentera mdaundi bokare na bonde bogonto bwa kuthikira mwingine bobwega.
Na ni muhimu tukiwa wananchi pia sisi tukue na wakati ambao tunasema hii inapaswa kufanywa hivi, ama the decisions that are being made we are also supposed to be involved.
So tunafanya hiyo bill ya public participation to be going through so that the courts do not throw out each and every public participation.
Antonia minister akiaria auganandi bakitho bagitiro goti kira Kenya barabonde bakure wa mbesa ni thirikari rungura ngiri 30.
We have agreed with His Excellency the President. He has directed me to take to Parliament a proposal. I'm not even waiting for finance bill to come in June. I am taking tax laws amendment bill to Parliament. Once Parliament resumes, we are preparing that bill, take to them to approve so that any Kenyan. And by the way, how many Kenyans are salaried? About 3,065,165 Kenyans. Out of these 3 million, 1.5 million Kenyans are earning 30,000 shillings and below. So we have said government should come for my money and leave the person who is earning 30,000 alone.
Nguruki akiwakira bakona muno ni gutigira ati antu barabe na ombani ni bo muno bakutho bakigitwo goti.
By the way, the principles of taxation dictate that you should tax wealth. Number 2, kama pesa ijatosha, then tax income, but never tax trade. So we are trying to avoid taxing trade and reducing taxation on income, but tax wealth. Mshahara inafika mahali mheshimiwa sasa inakuwa it beats income.
Muthuri Murioki, Woro TV, Muthuri wa Kangangi.